Embarking on the journey to find your first job in Europe without formal qualifications opens up a world of opportunities across a continent rich in diversity and culture. From the bustling urban centers to the tranquil countryside, Europe offers a variety of paths for those eager to step into the workforce. Today, we delve deeper into the landscape of employment across Europe, focusing on manual and seasonal jobs, and uncover the potential salaries for unskilled, entry-level workers in each location, providing a comprehensive guide for those dreaming of working in Europe. In the southern reaches of Europe, Portugal and Spain stand out for their vibrant hospitality and agricultural sectors. These countries, with their warm climates and rich tourist industries, are perennially in need of service staff and agricultural workers. In Portugal, for instance, entry-level positions in the hospitality sector can offer salaries ranging from €700 to €1,000 per month, reflecting the cost of living and the seasonal nature of much of this work. Spain, with its extensive agricultural sector, offers similar wages for seasonal agricultural work, with earnings potentially reaching €1,200 per month during peak harvest seasons. Crossing over to the United Kingdom, the landscape changes, but the demand for unskilled labor remains, particularly in the hospitality and agricultural sectors. Despite Brexit, the UK's labor market is open to workers from across the world, with seasonal agricultural roles offering salaries up to £9.50 per hour, translating to approximately £1,520 per month for full-time work. The hospitality sector, especially in cities like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh, offers similar hourly wages for entry-level positions. Eastern Europe, with countries like Poland and the Czech Republic, has become a hub for manufacturing and construction jobs, sectors that are increasingly accessible to those without formal qualifications. In Poland, for example, entry-level positions in manufacturing can offer salaries starting at 3,000 Polish zlotys per month, with the potential for higher earnings with overtime and shift differentials. The Czech Republic offers comparable wages, with entry-level construction workers earning around 25,000 Czech kronas per month. The Scandinavian countries, known for their high standards of living and strong labor rights, also provide opportunities for unskilled labor, particularly in sectors like fishing, forestry, and seasonal tourism. In Norway, seasonal workers in the fishing industry can earn approximately 30,000 Norwegian kronas per month, reflecting the country's high cost of living and the demanding nature of the work. With its vibrant tourism industry, especially in ski resorts, offers seasonal jobs with salaries starting at €25,000 per month. In the Mediterranean, the agricultural and tourism sectors of Greece and Italy beckon. Italy, known for its olive groves and vineyards, offers seasonal agricultural jobs with salaries ranging from €1,000 to €1,500 per month during the harvest season. Greece, with its plethora of islands and tourist destinations, provides similar opportunities in the tourism sector, with entry-level positions in hospitality earning around €800 per month. As we navigate the diverse job market of Europe, it becomes clear that opportunities for unskilled, entry-level workers abound, each offering a unique glimpse into the culture and economy of the region. Understanding the visa requirements for non-EU citizens is crucial, with national immigration websites and the EU portal providing authoritative information on work permits and visas. The journey to finding your first job in Europe without qualifications is an adventure requiring persistence, flexibility, and resourcefulness. With the right approach and tools, the European job market opens up a world of possibilities for those eager to embark on a new professional adventure. In conclusion, Europe's job market in 2024 presents a rich tapestry of opportunities for unskilled, entry-level workers, from the fields of Spain to the ski resorts of Scandinavia. The continent offers not just a chance to work, but to explore a mosaic of cultures and experiences. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of finding your first job in Europe. For more insights into global employment opportunities and practical advice on starting your career journey in Europe, stay tuned to our channel.